Hi friends, in this video we are solving a problem on surface integral. This topic we are chosen from vector integral calculus. You see, surface integral evaluation is nothing but we have to do double integral over s f bar dot n bar ds, where f bar is a vector point function. They are given x plus y square times of I minus 2xj plus 2yzk. They are given in three-dimensional plane, right? And s is the surface, where s is the surface of the plane 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to 6 in the first octant. They are given first octant, means you can take either xy plane or yz plane or zx plane you can take, because f bar dot, you see, first given that we have to evaluate double integral f bar dot n bar ds. F bar is nothing but, are they given a f bar vector point function? Yes, f bar we required. Next, n bar, n cap or n bar. If I written n bar, but it should be, remember, it is a unit normal vector, right? So n cap. Next, we need to find out ds. ds is nothing but here it is projection on r, like a xy plane or yz plane or zx plane, and later you need to find out limits. These are the works you have to do. First, are they given f bar in the problem? Yes. Next, second one, are they given a unit normal vector? No. So what they given? Surface. What is the surface here? Consider surfaces they are given. You see, surface pi is equal to 2x plus y plus 2z minus 6 you can consider. What is the n bar here? N bar is nothing but del pi na. So what is the del pi here? I into dou pi by dou x. Nothing but what you will have? X derivative 1. 1 into 2 is 2i plus y derivative is 1 with respect to y na. So j with respect to z. So k. That's it. So this is n bar. Now I want unit normal vector. Unit normal vector is nothing but n bar by mod n bar. That is del pi by mod del pi. So this is 2i plus j plus 2k divided by square root of 2 square I coefficient square plus j coefficient square plus k coefficient square. That is, you will have 2i plus 2j plus 2k. Here you have 4 plus 1 plus 4 is nothing but 9. Square root of 9 is nothing but 3. That's it. This is n bar. You have n bar. Next I require to find out ds. ds means here either it is a projection of xy plane, means here three projections you have. You see, what are those? Means dx dy by mod n dot xy is there, no? So write down n bar k. Next, this maybe you see dx dz by n bar dot y is missing, na? So write down here j. Next, dz to dx by, which is missing, y is already I have written this, no? So dz dy, here x is missing, so write down n bar dot I. So any one of them you have to take. How you can take means, see the surface first. See the surface. Surface what they gave? 2x plus 2y, 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to 6. In the first octant, they are not given limits of z or x is equal 0 to something, y is equal 0 to something, z is equal 0 to something. So what you have to do means, you can choose any one of them. I am choosing in this case here xy plane I am choosing. Okay na? You can take xz plane, zx plane, zy plane or xy plane. I am choosing xy plane. So in the xy plane, dx dy by n bar dot k is I required. So n bar, do you know? Yes, I know. Now n bar dot k. So modulus of, what is n bar here? You have this one, you see 2i plus j plus 2k dot k. So dot product, you know, I dot k 0, j dot k 0, k dot k is 1. So you will have mod n bar dot k is equal to 2. So here you see this value also clear. Next, what you require to find? Limits you need to find. See, f bar they are given, n bar just now we are done. ds also we are decided which plane, projection on a xy plane, a yz plane, zx plane. Next we need to find out limits. Last one, limits. How you will find out means, see the surface. Again go for the surface only. Surface is 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to 6. 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to 6. Where you are doing this one double integration on xy plane. On xy plane obviously z is 0, friends. On xy plane z is 0, no z term. So 2x plus y is equal to 6 on xy plane. On xy plane. Clear? Now from this you see what you required means here limits you required. This is, you see, 2x plus y is in the form, which form here? It is a degree x power 1 y power 1. So which is a straight line you are getting here. It is converted as a plane in two-dimensional space. Plane in two-dimensional space, which is not a square or not a rectangle. So you will get here independent limits or dependent limits are dependent limits only. When you will get to independent limits means, when you, that is nothing but constants. When you will get means, if it is a square, but it is not a square, which is a plane only. So in this case, how you will get a value means, first of all I want to know x value. To get the x value, put y is equal to 0. That implies 2x is equal to 6. That implies x is equal to what? 3. X is equal to 3. They are given in the first octant, so x started from 0 to 3. So x limits I have. Next I want y limits. So will you put x is equal to 0? No. If you put x is equal to 0, what will happen means y is equal to 6. You will say y is from 0 to 6. But if x is 0 to 3, y is 0 to 3 means you will get the region is a rectangle. But is our region is a rectangle? No, it is a plane only. That is the reason only what we have to do means we have to keep y is left side and take x as right side. Then you will have y is equal to 6 minus 2x. So now y is started from 0 to 6 minus 2x. Now you observe x is independent and y is dependent on x. That's it. So now you have a limits or not? So can you evaluate this surface integral f bar dot n bar ds easily? Right. Friends, all the values I have written here. This is given f bar and n cap you have 2i plus j plus 2k by 3. Now n bar dot k is nothing but here you will have k na. So dot product of k you will have 2 by 3. I have written here. ds is on xy plane by mod n k na. So dx dy by n bar dot k is what you have 2 by 3. Now the limits of x is 0 to 3. Y are 6 to 6 minus 2x. 0 to 6 minus 2x. Now double integral over s f bar dot n bar ds is equal to double integral. So first write on x limits 0 to 3. Now you write on y limits 0 to 6 minus 2x. Now f bar dot n bar ds. First it is better to do separately here. F bar dot n bar, do it here. F bar dot n cap. Okay, let it be. Then what you will have means I quotient 2 by 3 times of this is I'll write here. Now x plus y square times of I minus 2xj plus 2yzk dot product of 2i plus j plus 2k by 3 into you have the ds also I am writing. What is the ds means? Dx dy by 2 by 3 I have here. Okay na? So I am writing this term also. Now in this case I will have product dot product, do it is a 1 by 3 here by 3, this 3 getting cancelled. So 1 by 2 write down outside 1 by 2 dot product 2 times of, you see 2 times of x plus y square. Next here j dot j1 so minus 2x, k dot k1 so 2 times of 2 is 4yz, that's it, into dx dy, double integration. Limits already I have explained. So you simplify this, double integral of 1 by 2 outside. So this is 2x plus 2x minus 2x getting cancelled. Okay, I'll let first later I'll do the cancellations. Into dx dy you have. Now plus 2x minus 2x getting cancelled. So from this 2 you can take 2 common. So it will be outside. Then integral, double integral x plus 2 yz into
friends, that is not x,
dy.
that replaced
Friends,
by y
now
square only. Okay,
integration with respect to xy, but here you have another term z. So what to do? Don't put z is equal 0. When you are finding the limits, that time only we will do z is equal to 0. Okay now, while finding the limits, that time only we will substitute z is equal 0 to get xy limits. But in this case we are in xy plane, so change the z value in xy plane, convert the z value in xy plane. How you can convert means surface, given surface is here you have 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to 6. This plane they are given. So convert the z value here, 2z is there, so 2z is equal to what you can write? 6 minus 2x minus y. That's it. You write down. Now you observe z is in terms. We will have integral 0 to 3 integral 0 to 6 minus 2x y square plus y. Friends, you see 2z is equal to what you have? 6 minus 2x minus y into dx dy. Okay. Now you simplify this one, integral y square plus 6y minus 2xy minus y square into dx dy. Minus y square plus y square cancel. From this what you can take common? 2y, yes, 2y you can write outside. Integral 0 to 3 integral 0 to 6 minus 2x. Here also you have, I have not written. Now 2y is a common. 2y if you take in common, then you will have 3 minus x into dx dy. Now you have to evaluate this double integral. You see friends, while evaluating the double integral, first here you observe the limits. One limit is x limit is independent and y limit is dependent on x. So first you have to integrate with respect to y. Then because it is dependent now, so we have to integrate with respect to y, then you will get a function in terms of x. After substitution of the limits, then you integrate with respect to x, you will get the solution. Anyway, integral 0 to 3. Now 2 times of 3 minus x is outside, y integration is y square by 2. Limits from 0 to 6 minus 2x into, here you have dx. So here 2 and 2 getting cancelled. Integral 0 to 3, 3 minus x times of, if you substituted upper limit, then you will have 6 minus 2x whole square. Minus lower limit if you are substituted 0. So I am keeping same only. Now here from this what you can take common, here 2 is a common. 2 if you written outside, 2 square will come. 4 times of integral 0 to 3, 3 minus x into, here you have a 3 minus x whole square into dx. So this is equal to 4 times of integral 0 to 3, 3 minus x whole cube into dx. So here you observe this is a bracket power 3, bracket derivative is minus is there beside, no. So what I am doing, outside I am writing minus, then you will have power plus 1 by power plus 1. Okay now the lower limit and upper limits of this bracket is 0 to 3. So 4 getting cancelled, then minus of 3 minus x, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 3. Now if you substitute upper limit, you will have 3 minus 3 is nothing but 0, minus lower limit if you are substituted, you will have 3. So finally you will get here, this value is power 4 is there now. So power 4 here, 3 to the power of 4. Okay, bracket for this here, minus 81, minus of minus plus 81. So this is the answer. Is it clear for everyone? You see what I have done here. First upper limit if you are substituted, this is 3 minus 3, 0. Minus lower limit if you are substituted, 0 means 3 power 4, 0 minus 81, minus of minus plus 81. Is it clear for everyone? So like this we have to evaluate the double integral.